This is question 14 from the second paper of the 2017 exam. So in this question, we see a graph of a parabola with a vertex P, and we know that the function which it describes is y equals x squared minus 2bx plus c. And now let's consider a slightly different equation, this time y equals x squared minus 2 capital B x plus c, where capital B is bigger than this first lowercase b. And we are supposed to basically say where this point P moves when we perform this change, when we basically increase this coefficient, or more precisely make it a bigger negative number. And the key thing here to realize is that the vertex P occurs at a position of x where dy by dx equals 0, so where the function is locally flat, the derivative is 0. So that is when 2x, I'm just differentiating this function here, 2x minus 2b equals 0. And for the second function now, that happens when 2x is to capital B. So if x always basically is this b, which is the x-coordinate of the point P, then by changing the equation from the first one to the second one, that means increasing this number, will increase the x-coordinate of the point P too. So we know it will be somewhere, say, here, right? That will be its x-coordinate. And how about the y-coordinate? Will that change? Well, let's see what happens when we plug in our x into this function. So in the first case, we get a lowercase b squared minus 2b times b plus c. And for the new parabola, we get the same, except with capital B. So always minus b squared plus c. And here we can immediately see that for a bigger b, y will be smaller because of this negative sign here. So in fact, the new point P, let's call it P prime, will be to the right and to the bottom of the original point P here. So our parabola will have moved like this. And this option, this graph, in the exam was option F, which was the right one to pick.